Hey guys, I'm at the Hoover Dam Lodge and Casino. Been in here years ago. They've done a lot of updates, but I'm gonna go in here and check it out, and I'm gonna try to get me something to eat. So I'll see you in a minute. So I walked inside, and you can see on the main floor of the Dam Casino, there's a whole lot of those damn slots, and there's the damn bar, and they've even got a nice little damn gift shop right there, and that's a big screen of some of the damn birds that are around the Hoover Dam. And then I walk back here, restrooms over here, and up to elevators up to the damn lodge, and actually you can go out to the damn swimming pool there. But now I'm going to eat a burger here at the Bighorn Cafe, and I'm checking out the menu, but what really catches my eyes is this Bighorn Pico burger. That looks really damn good. So I'm looking out onto the damn casino floor, and it's pretty cool. They got a lot of good games. And now look at this Bighorn Pico burger. It looks amazing. That's a lot of fries. That's a big damn burger. And you can see the bacon hanging off, and I'm checking it out. Look how big these fries are. They're like little potato wedges, but they're kind of like curly fries too. So I'm trying to get this big damn burger up. Look at that. Bacon, pepper, jack cheese, jalapenos, pico de gallo on the top. A little spicy, but not too hot. Very tasty. That cheese was good. The burger was seasoned great. The bun was nice and soft. Everything about it was really good. That was a good burger here at the Hoover Dam Lodge and Casino at the Bighorn Cafe. And of course, the Bighorn Cafe is named after all the damn sheep that are around. And those potatoes are excellent. Really good. Just lightly battered, not too heavy. They were perfect. I really enjoyed that. And so, really good meal. And here is my waitress, Jessie. She was awesome, very friendly, very nice, checked on me a lot. She did a great job. Really good waitress. So now I'm going to walk around the damn casino, and the way they have it laid out is they have these rooms, and it's like little casinos inside of the casino. And this was the Red Dragon, which was really cool. Walked inside here, and there were several slots inside of here, and I actually played some games in the Red Dragon. Had a really nice looking bar in the back, and they even had drink specials. And then I walked on outside, and there's the La Velita Casino, and it had its own bar and some other slot machines and games that you could play. It was cool. And then across the way was Dottie's Casino, and it had its own little bar and maybe some food in there as well. And then I walked back out into the dam floor, and you could see the other entrance to Dottie's Casino. And then the last little casino they have inside was the Bourbon Street Casino. And if you've ever been to Bourbon Street, you know that's a lot of fun on Bourbon Street. You can have a really damn good time there. So that had pool tables and slot machines and poker games, and then its own bar, table area. You can see I'm wearing my damn mask. And they even have skee ball. So this was actually pretty neat. I mean, the Hoover Dam Lodge is actually pretty good right here at the Hoover Dam. I really enjoyed it. So I walked back outside, and of course I still had to be masked up. But I'm saying, hey, this place is pretty cool, and I would like to come back and stay at the Hoover Dam Lodge and Casino. Great views. And then I walk up here and check out all the cactuses or cactus plants. All the dam vegetation. And in the desert. Very pretty. The Hoover Dam Lodge and the Hoover Dam Casino. A lot of fun. So I'm looking back, pulled over to get a look back at Lake Mead and the Hoover Dam Casino. It's such a beautiful setting. And then I'm going to head on to Chili Jilly's. Check this out. Chili Jilly's. Smoothies, coffee, sandwiches, salads. I think I just want like a soft serve cone. Thank you for choosing. So I've been meaning to stop here at Chili Jilly's for a while, but I just watched Tamara and Gord's video, Vegas Best Ideas, and they stopped here and they went into Boulder City and they ate at Fox Barbecue, walked around town, ate at Chili Jilly's, got something here sweet to eat. And so that was a really good video. You need to check out Vegas Best Ideas, guys. They've got a lot of good content. They go live all the time. So, and they're from Canada, but seems to me like they spend more time in Las Vegas and the area. So they know a lot about the area. So check them out. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to them and check them out. They're really good. You'll enjoy. Okay, there's my little custard. I love custard. So we're gonna check this out. Y'all have a great day. I'll be seeing you soon. Right here from Boulder City.